Hello everyone, welcome back to Lady P's Inspire Home. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are one of my return subscribers, I love you so much. Thank you for all your continued support. And today's video is in collaboration with a company called Tivisiy. They have reached out to me and asked me to review their product. I went on their website and I was so amazed of all the different items, the diversity of items that they had to choose from. They had a lot of wood carvings, 3D wood carvings, and they also carried jewelry, gemstone jewelry. They have, so pretty. Metal art, you know, the windmills that go in your backyard or wherever you want to put it. Gorgeous items, very pretty items. And I'm going to show you a little bit of their website, and then I'm going to go into the unboxing of what I have chosen. But I really had a difficult time choosing because I seen so much stuff that I could have gotten. And I was in the store the other day with someone, and I noticed she had on some wood earrings. And I looked up and I said, "Oh, those are really nice." And she said, "Oh, I love wood earrings." And right away I said, okay. So I'm going to go back on their site and definitely order her some wood earrings for her birthday coming up in July. If you go on the website, you're going to find something. You don't have to wait for no holiday. We just missed the Mother's Day sale that they had, but you got Father's Day coming up. You got birthdays, and you could just bless somebody with something. They really have really pretty stuff. I am so excited. And I'm going to leave a link below in the description box to their website, and I also is going to have a coupon code that you get 20% off of anything that you purchase. You go on that website, you're going to see something. You can't help it. You're going to see something that you like. So we're going to get into the unboxing. And first we're going to do the website. I'm just going to skim across the website and let you see a couple of items that they have, and then we're going to get into the unboxing. So as you can see, this is their website. They have handmade wood carvings. They have jewelry. There was those wood earrings. There were the metal art. And these are some other items that they have. And these are the wood carvings, the gorgeous wood carvings, the animals. And I didn't say it before, but you can also get those wood carvings personalized. So that's another idea too. And they have like metal coins. And this, I'm just going through and allow you to see some of the items. These are the most gorgeous metal art. And some other animals that could go in your yard too. And here go the jewelry. This is the gems. My birthstone is Emerald. I just had a birthday. Okay, so now we're going to get into the unboxing because I am so excited. I want to see it in person. And I really, like I said, I really did have a hard time because there was some other, I even looked at the jewelry, even thought about the jewelry, but looking at her earrings, I'm going back and get me, when I order her earrings, I'm going to go get me a nice pair of wooden earrings too. They really look nice on. So I can't wait to go back. But we're going to get into the unboxing now. And here go my package. Here go my package. I did kind of cut open right here. And we're going to take this out. And we're going to get started. And I do have some scissors right here. Okay, I'm excited. And I hope you are excited to see what I have chosen. Because I really had a hard time, but I'm going back on their site. And this is, okay, it's wrapped up good. It's not gonna break. It's really, they really got it secure with nice bubble wrap. And here go the box. The box, oh, Oh, that's cute. It says Hyde Park, and this on this front it says give Hyde Park, give animals a home. And then on this way it says, how are you? And it's so pretty. How are you? Very pretty. And I don't know which one is which because I have two items to show you. So we're just going to open this one up. And let me move this table a little bit closer to me. And okay, so in here we have a card that says, who are we? And it has animals and structures on it. And so it says, Hyde Park is a home decor brand started with our consciousness of environment and wild animals. Everything we create is designed in-house by our creative and detail-oriented designers and produced in partnership with our exclusive, sustainable, and ethical factory. We are here to raise awareness of the environment of our planet, as well as wild animals, to support organizations that make this planet a better place. Beautiful. Listen to this. Each piece we sell is made out of recycled wood, and the paints we use are also certified as sustainable. We devote ourselves to the environment and sustainability, and we committed giving to non-profit organizations to help make this planet a better place. Better planet, better life. We are on our way. This is really, really nice. Thank you for supporting Hyde Park and supporting our planet. So you support Hyde Park, you're going to support the planet. Give your exclusive offer with code. Okay, so this is what they have, and like I said, there's be a link below in the description box for coupon code of my coupon code, Lady P 20. So, and this, oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, look, this is gorgeous. I selected the butterfly. On the back it says Hyde Park on the back of it. And look how gorgeous this is. I selected, they have different sizes. So you can get small, I think it's small, medium, and large. And then you could also get with no light and a LED light. And the other one is another light with a remote and it has a sound to it. So this one I picked. Oh Lord, this is so gorgeous. I'm so sorry. I can't help it. Look at that. Look at the carvings. Look how many layers that you're gonna get. Look, even even the layers on here is so gorgeous. Look. And the colors is absolutely beautiful. It has flowers inside. Oh my goodness. It has little, it's so detailed. Look at this. Oh Lord, it looked like, you know how the butterflies be flying all around the real pretty flowers. So you're looking down and if you can see all the different flowers. I'm gonna have to cut. I gotta try to get as much light in here as possible. So I'm probably gonna come back and show you it in the dark. And I actually picked this out for my daughter. She loved butterflies. And I thought she has a new apartment and I think this would be really beautiful. I will have to ship it to California, but it's okay. I know she will love it. And it has like a little button here for you to click it on. So she could sit this on her end table. She could, I was thinking about also her credenza where she have a TV. I thought that would be nice. But wherever she want to put it will be fine with me. This is so detailed. Oh Lord, this is really, really pretty. It looks like a forest back there. It's gorgeous. I have a little plug over here. But like I said, I'm going to probably put the light off so you can actually see it. But this is gorgeous. And I was looking, and I really like that metal art too, because I've been looking at those in Home Goods. But I really wanted something. I just feel like this is so different. Where do you see this at? This is so different. I thought I wanted, I feel like a signature piece, you know. So I said I'm going to definitely order something like this. Look how many layers. I'm sorry, keep going. Look how many layers. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all the flowers, how the butterflies. And you let me, it's kind of funny because I love butterflies, but I'm scared of caterpillars. When I was young, caterpillars would drop down my neck one time and just wept all over the place. So I'm kind of like, I don't love caterpillars. My granddaughter, she just love them. But with caterpillars and me, I stand back from the caterpillars, but I love what they turn into. Transformation. This is gorgeous. I love this, and this is gorgeous. And I am trying to get the take it off, and like I said, I'm gonna put it in the plug, but I'm gonna probably cut the light off to really see what it look like. But let's see if it come on. Oh my God, look. Oh Lord, look how pretty this is. Now this ain't even in the dark. Oh my God, look at that. She's gonna love it. Oh, and then you have the little button here to cut it off. So look at that. That is, oh, oh my God, they are gorgeous. Butterflies are beautiful. I went to a place that saw the butterflies it was just all over. It was, you had to really, as they come out of their cocoon, they were just all over the place, and it was really good. I forgot what the name of it. It was a garden, but botanical gardens, I think. I went with my kids, and this is gorgeous. Look at, you could really see the detail in here. Look at the little flowers and everything. Oh my God, they really remind you of the butterflies. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. And look at the carving. I keep coming back to that carving, right? And like I said, I'm going to cut off the light, but this is really, really beautiful. I love it. And I'm going to open up the next box and see what we have here. This is something for myself. And like I said, I really wanted, I even looked at the jewelry, looking at my birthstone. And this box is the same way. How are you? In park. So this is for the High Park, giving animals a home. So let's see. Okay, I got it. I had it upside down. I already read that. And see how they really protect. Oh God, this is my color, and I think this would brought me to this. Oh my God, see everything. I'm in the blue family, so, and I think this what got me. I got a peacock. Look at this peacock. Oh my God, it's in my navy blue color. Has all, oh Lord, and has all the different, you could see the green and the beige, the layers, and open it up. Now I can imagine how, now this one, I have the remote control, and so I ordered this one with the remote for this one. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the peacock. And it has layers and layers. If you look back, it's like a green back there. It's like blue on the outside, and then you got a green, and you go back, you have like a little yellow back here. Look at that. And I just can't wait to, I can't wait to plug it up. I gotta plug it up. Let me plug this up real quick, and we could get the remote working at a later time. But I don't know. I think it has a sound to it too. So I might just see how the sound is too on this. So let me see if I can get it close by. I'll take that one out. Look at this. I'm going to see if I can bring it closer. Okay. Look at that. Flashing all different colors. Isn't that gorgeous? It is absolute. Ooh, boy, that's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how the other part worked. I would be. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh, and look at the layers. See, I really wanted. I look, like I said, I look for the metal art. I wanted the jewelry, but I really wanted something like this because I have not seen anything like this before. So I was really excited. To me, it's like a signature piece. I have never seen anything like this. With all of these different layers of the wood, and it's all out of cycled. It's just beautiful. And you look at the peacocks sitting, and I just love this. I love to see peacocks when they open up. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. And this is beautiful. This is absolutely. Okay, so here's the remote. It has different colors. It has the red, blue, green. It has different colors. Then it has like jump 2, jump 7. Then it got fade. So it's almost like the Christmas tree light sometimes. You can have them fade in, go in different ways. So this is really, really nice. And this is the way it looks lit up. And isn't it gorgeous? And I also have the butterfly lit up. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love both the items. I'm going to cut off the light and let you see them in the dark. If it's not dark outside, but let's see. Okay, this is how they look with a little bit of light off. Isn't that gorgeous? I love both of them. Oh, they are so beautiful. So, so beautiful. And it just flashing different colors. And this is got the LED. And like I said, you can get them any way you want. You don't have to get a light. You can get the LED light, or you can get the tricolor light. And I can't wait to really get the remote working so I can hear the sound too. I can imagine what it sounds like. But this is it. And let me cut the light back on. Okay, so I really love both of my items. I want to thank Tivisiy to reaching out to me to review their product. I am super, super pleased. Love, love, love them. And they are just absolutely gorgeous. So I know if you go on that website, I know that you're going to find something that interests you. They have so much to choose from. Please go on their website. Use my coupon code. It's right up on the screen. And also I have the link below in the description box. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell that you be notified of all the videos as they come out. Thank you so much, everyone. Love you all. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing. Bye-bye. I will see you all on the next video.